In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted post on your WordPress website. So I'm going to delete this first post that I have here, and then afterward, I'll show you how to recover it. So if you have deleted your post accidentally, don't worry, you can still recover it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I'll go ahead and delete this post. To delete it, I can just go ahead and click on trash, and then as you can see, that post is no longer appearing on my website. So if I go ahead and again click on my post, I can't recover that post because it is gone. However, if you still want to recover that post, you can still do it just using this trash. So just come back to all posts here, and once you are on all posts, your all posts have been displayed. Look for this option called trash. So you can see I have quite a number of posts that are in my trash bin or can. If I click on it, it will go ahead and display all the posts that I have ever deleted on my website. Now I can find any post that I want to recover. For instance, this is the post that I've just deleted. To recover or to restore it, go ahead and click on restore here, and this will go ahead and restore the post. And look at that, the post has been restored, one post restored from the trash. So if I go back to all posts, I should be able to find my recovered post. So let's go ahead and confirm if that is true by clicking on all posts here, and look at that, the post has been recovered. And if I go ahead and open it, you can see the post content are intact. So that's how you can recover any post that you deleted on your WordPress website. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.